How to play Bopl Battle on controller. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to play Bopl Battle on controller. To play Bopl Battle with a controller, follow these steps. Part 1. Connecting your controller. First, connect your controller to your PC. If you're using a wired controller, just plug it in with a USB cable. For wireless, turn on Bluetooth and pair your controller like usual. Steam should automatically detect it, but if not, here's how to fix that. Part 2. Steam controller settings. Open Steam and go to the settings menu, then controller, and click general controller settings. Make sure the correct option is checked, like Xbox configuration support or PlayStation configuration support, depending on what you're using. This helps Steam organize your controller in Bopl Battle. Part 3. In-game controls overview. Now, launch Bopl Battle. Your controller should work right away. Here are the basic controls. Move with the left stick, jump with A or X, dash with B or circle, use your ability with right trigger, RT or R2, open menu with the start or options button. Part 4. Tips and troubleshooting. If your controller still isn't working, try restarting Steam or launch the game in a big picture mode. Also, unplug any other gaming pads or virtual controllers that might interfere. And if you're new to Bopl Battle, practice your jump and dashing timing. It makes a big difference in battle. And that's it. That's how you play Bopl Battle with a controller. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.